What if you could earn cash back while building your credit at the same time? Most secured cards don't offer rewards, but the surprising truth about the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Secured Visa is that it does. This card requires a refundable security deposit, usually starting around $300. Your deposit becomes your credit limit. You earn cash back on everyday spending, including bonus categories you can choose. The biggest benefit is credit building. Every one-time payment helps improve your credit score. The card also offers fraud protection and online account tools. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. A secured card is not a loan. It is a training tool for responsible credit use. In conclusion, this card is a smart option for anyone rebuilding or starting credit while still earning rewards. Subscribe for more credit card tips and reviews. Title start how to edit post title on Reddit title BND script start have you ever posted something on Reddit, noticed a typo in the title, and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? You're not alone. Most people get this wrong, but here's why it matters. Reddit does not allow you to directly edit a post title after it is published. The surprising truth is that the only real solution is to delete and repost, but there are smart ways to handle this without losing all your progress. Let's start with what you can and cannot change. On Reddit, you can edit the body text of your post at any time, but the title is locked forever once you hit post. This rule applies to both mobile and desktop. It's designed to prevent confusion and clickbait edits, but it can be frustrating when you spot a small mistake. So what do you do if you need to fix your title? The first option is to leave the post as is and add a comment at the top explaining the correction. Many Reddit users do this by writing something like, "Edit. I meant to say this," keeps your engagement, comments, and upvotes intact. The second option is to delete and repost. Before you do this, copy the text from your original post, then delete it. Create a new post with the corrected title and paste the content back in. The best time to repost is when the subreddit is most active, usually in the morning or evening depending on the community. Here's the trick most people miss. If your post already has comments, you can link to the new version in a final comment before deleting. This helps people find the corrected post and keeps the conversation going. To avoid this problem in the future, always double-check your title before posting. Read it out loud. Look for spelling errors, missing words, or confusing phrasing. You won't believe how many issues you catch just by slowing down for 10 seconds. In conclusion, while Reddit does not let you edit post titles, you still have control over how you fix the mistake. Whether you comment, repost, or clarify, you can recover smoothly and keep your credibility intact. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple tech guides that save you time and stress.